This is not just magic, this is black magic. This is sorcery, as in burn the witch sorcery. So, removing decals. This is actually a very difficult job, and before I used to do it with my heat gun. This one, it kind of works, but it's really difficult and long and intensive process. How I did it before, I would just heat it up and then try and scratch it off with my nail, which is a really annoying job. And then I found something. If you want to remove decals, get yourself one of these. One of these. Basically what this is, it's sort of a rubber sanding wheel that just takes off the decal way easier. Let me show you how it actually works and how well it works. And then we can clean up the rest with some brake cleaner or something else, but this thing, this is sorcery, and I absolutely love it. Perfect. I'll see you on the other side. I don't know if you can see this clearly, but I did this one with a heat gun and my finger, meaning there's a lot of residue left. And the handy thing about this tool is that it takes away the decals as well as the glue residue. It does two things at the same time. Less work for me. One thing I do want to say, if you use normal batteries, this is a 1.5 amp hour battery, and it drains them very quickly. So make sure you either have enough batteries or you have enough time to do this job. Stupid of me, I'm right-handed, so let's turn it around. She's pretty much dead. Yeah. Not much left in there. Battery's done. So we go corded. I should have done that before. This goes way faster. Yes, way faster. I have to say, I'm impressed. I'm really impressed. Now, if you wonder how much I paid for it, not even 5. These things are cheap and they're good. I love it.